Are you struggling to find specific tweets on Twitter using your PC? Let's walk through the steps to help you efficiently locate the tweets you're looking for. Begin by navigating to the Twitter homepage and utilizing the search bar at the top of the page to enter your search query. Once you've entered your search query, the primary results page will display popular tweets from various users. To access more search options, click on Show next to the Search Filters menu on the left side of the page, and then select the Advanced Search option. In the Advanced Search page, you can narrow down your search by specifying extremely specific ranges of tweets. Utilize the Words tools to refine your search, but pay special attention to the People tools. Enter your own Twitter handle, including the A symbol, in the From These Accounts field. To begin your search, enter at least one word in the Words field, and ensure your criteria are set accordingly. Click the button at the bottom of the page to initiate the search process. By following these steps, you can effectively find specific tweets on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your Twitter browsing experience by mastering the advanced search feature to discover the tweets that matter most to you.